Hello everyone, how are you, brother? I hope you will be doing well. Alhamdulillah, day 14 broiler chicks. I will discuss with you complete analysis over feeding management and treatment. Day 14 broiler chicks analysis report. First, I introduced my chick farm. Chick farm name date is 5 5 2025. Flock day is 14 days. Breed Ross 308. Batch number is 10. Number of chicks in one shed 9,000 birds plus 2% extra chicks. So you can see the birds are now 2 weeks old. They are feeding, they are enjoying their meal. So chicks activity is normal with the uniform growth observed across most of the flock. No sign of abnormal behavior like lethargy, huddling, or excessive pecking. So housing and temperature I maintained 30 to 31 degrees centigrade, reduced gradually from brooding temperature, and see about my chicks condition in how much temperature they will suitable and they feel easy. I discussed with the humidity. Humidity in my flock is 60 to 65 degree percent. Ventilation adequate cross ventilation maintained in my broiler farm. Lighting program for second week is 22 hours light and 2 hours darkness. But after 2 weeks, after 14 days, when 14 days complete, I will go with 21 hours light and 3 hours darkness. Litter condition is very friable and dry. Litter stirred twice a day to avoid caking and ammonia buildup. So these are the housing and environmental management you can also manage in your poultry farm. So I discussed with you about feeding management. So I offer these chicks starter crumbler. Feed intake approximately is about 650 to 700 gram per chick up to 14 days. But I always prefer ad libitum feed available for 21 days. Feed conversion ratio, I think it will be 1.09, 1.05, and average body weight gain, I feel like these birds gain hopefully 480 to 520 grams. This is my expectations from my broiler chicks. So what happened after completing 14 days? Today 14 days is started, and tomorrow hopefully 14 days is done. Feed quality should be fresh, mold free, and nutritionally balanced. So I will discuss water management. Clean fresh water available all times. Water sanitizer, chlorine or citric acid used alternatively. Drinkers clean twicely, and I prefer about 3 to 4 times a daily. You can clean your drinker. The main purpose of diseases is not cleaning your drinkers. So main cause of poultry diseases like E. coli, salmonella from these drinkers and from unclean water.
वाटर लाइनों के
So
नीचे
vaccination
बेशक करवा
schedule
लो।
for my 14 days.
थोड़ी-थोड़ी ये यहाँ
After
पे गीला है।
completing my 14 days, you should go for ND booster given on 14 days, NDIB, Newcastle disease plus infectious bronchitis disease. So you use multivitamins day 10 to day 14 to support immunity during vaccination period. Coccidiostatin definitely you used in your poultry feed. Also, if you have any problem enteritis or any coccidiostat, so you use
यहाँ से भी
coccidiostat
थोड़ी सी
or
उठा लो। ठीक है,
coccidiocidal in feed as well as your farm level. So mortality less than 0.5%. Symptoms noted: no major clinical signs and symptoms. Minor pest events in 2% chicks treated with probiotic and electrolyte solutions. Growth rate is satisfactory and in line and breed standard. Feed and water consumption are optimal. No sign of stress or illness. So please comment you in comment section and give your suggestion. Thank you.